ప్రత్యేకంగా మా సంస్థ తరపున మా అధినేత జగదీష్ కదం గారు వారి శ్రీమతి గారు మోహన కదం గారిని గ్రాండ్ వెల్కమ్ టు మ్యామ్ సార్. సో లెట్స్ కంటిన్యూ. ముందుగా పాత్రికేయ మిత్రులకు, శ్రేయోభిలాషులకు, సంస్థ ఉద్యోగులకు, ప్రత్యేక ఆహ్వానితులకు, పేరు పేరిన అందరి రాజకీయ ప్రముఖులకు, సమీప గ్రామ ప్రజానికానికి అందరికీ పేరు పేరున మరొకసారి సవినీయంగా మోస్ట్ వెల్కమ్ సార్. ఇందులో సంజీవరాయుడు గారు, హెచ్సి గారు, ఆర్ఎండి వారికి కూడా ప్రత్యేక ఆహ్వానం, శ్రీ నీరజ్ గుప్తా గారు, ఎన్హెచ్ఐ వారికి కూడా ప్రత్యేక ఆహ్వానాన్ని తెలియజేసుకుంటున్నాం సార్.
अभी समय आ गया है हमारे अतिथियों का सम्मान के लिए. सबसे पहले मैं इनवाइट करता हूँ श्री जगदीश कदम सर, सीएमडी राष्ट्रपति, श्री डीसी जनार्दन रेड्डी, ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर ऑफ रोड एंड बिल्डिंग्स. तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए, तालियां रुकनी नहीं चाहिए. ये मौका बार बार नहीं आना है. अगला सम्मान श्री जगदीश सर सीएमडी राष्ट्रपति कौन करेंगे? श्री बी के पाठक सारथी सर का, जो कि मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट. तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए. तीसरा सम्मान मिसेस मोहना कदम, जो कि डायरेक्टर फाइनेंस भी है. पूरा करते हैं कि आपने फाइनेंस का नाम तो बंद है भाई. श्रीमती पल्ले सिंधु रेड्डी मैडम, ऑनरेबल एमएलए ऑफ पिठापुर. तालियां तालियां. श्रीनाथ डाकने सर, प्रोजेक्ट डायरेक्टर, ये जो हमारा प्रोजेक्ट है वो सम्मान करेंगे श्री रामदास जी गुप्ता, व्यक्तिगत प्रसाद सर, ऑनरेबल एमएलए ऑफ तराई. एमएलए सर की मीटिंग ऐसी थी कि काफी बिजी थे, तो पता नहीं पाए. अगली बार मिलेंगे सर से तो हमारे से सम्मान करेंगे उनका. श्री आरपी सिंह साहब, ऑनरेबल रीजनल ऑफिसर आरओ एनएचआई, सीएमडी सर सम्मान करेंगे उनका. जगदीश कदम सर. तालियां. श्री वरुण अग्रवाल साहब, ऑनरेबल सीजीएम हेडक्वार्टर एनएचआई का सम्मान करेंगे डाकनी साहब. श्री श्रीनाथ डाकने, प्रोजेक्ट डायरेक्टर. खुशी का मौका है, खुशी का मौका है. हाथ से भी तालियां. तालियां। श्री अशोक कुमार ऑनरेबल प्रोजेक्ट डायरेक्टर कटप्पा NHI का सम्मान करेंगे गंगाधर साहब, जनरल मैनेजर प्रोजेक्ट। श्री गंगाधर साहब। अगला सम्मान श्री श्रीनाथ धामी साहब करेंगे। श्री पल्लव रघुनाथ जी सरकार, जो एक्स मिनिस्टर। श्रीनाथ धामी सर। अगला सम्मान श्री संदीप बी गांधावते ऑनरेबल डायरेक्टर ध्रुव कंसल्टेंसी का सम्मान करेंगे रोहिदास प्रसाद साहब। रोहिदास प्रसाद साहब प्लीज। अगला सम्मान है मैडम सुवर्णा का। सुवर्णा मैडम जो RDO हैं, उनका सम्मान करेंगे सुवर्णा डॉक्टर साहब। सुवर्णा डॉक्टर साहब प्लीज। तालियां। तालियां रुकनी नहीं चाहिए। ये माहौल फिर नहीं आएगा। अगर आया भी तो पता नहीं कब आएगा। तो मजा लीजिए आज के प्रोग्राम का। तालियां। अगला सम्मान CMD सर जगदीश गोयल साहब, हमारे जो गिनीज वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड के जो फैसिलिटेटर हैं मिस्टर मिलिंद वारलेकर साहब का। मिलिंद साहब। गिनीज सॉरी थोड़ा सा अनाउंसमेंट में ऊपर नीचे हो गया है। जो हमारे गिनीज वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड के जो मेन आज के रेफरी जिन्होंने कई दिन तक यहाँ रह के अपना जो भी उनका रोल था पूरा निभाया, तो गिनीज वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड के जो बेनिफिशियरी वाले जो हैं वो हमारे बीच में आए और उनका सम्मान CMD सर करेंगे। जगदीश गोयल सर। अगला सम्मान हमारे जो गिनीज वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड के फैसिलिटेटर मिस्टर मिलिंद वारलेकर, उनका सम्मान भी हमारे जगदीश गोयल सर करेंगे। मिस्टर मिलिंद। तालियां बजानी चाहिए।
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. On this special occasion, we are gathered here to witness the glorious and golden moment of achieving 4 Guinness World Records for Puttaparthi, the sacred birthplace of Bhagwan Shri Sathya Sai. To grace the occasion, Honorable Union Minister for Road Transport and Highways, Shri Nitin Gadkari ji, joining from DC from Nagpur. Honorable Chief Minister, Andhra Pradesh, Shri Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu, joining from DC from Amaravati. Honorable Minister, Roads and Building and Infrastructure and Investment, Government of Andhra Pradesh, Shri B.C. Janathan Reddy Garu, and other dignitaries present on the dais, and all officers of the Government of India and the State Government of Andhra Pradesh, independent engineer, and the entire team of Mr. Shastra Infraplan and Integration. With due permission from Honorable Union Minister and Honorable Chief Minister, I would like to request all dignitaries to please come for lighting of the auspicious lamp. Now, I would like to invite Chairman NHI, Shri Santosh Kumar Yadav ji, for welcome address. Chairman sir. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Chairman sir. Now, I would like to invite Chairman and Managing Director, Mr. Swastika, Infracom Private Limited, Shri Jagdish Adamji, to say a few words about his training and flawless execution at ground, which has made this possible. Shri Jagdish Adamji.
नमस्कारम। भारत सरकार के सड़क परिवहन तथा राजमार्ग मंत्री, जिन्होंने अपने कार्य से देश का प्रगति का नक्शा बदल दिया, ऐसे हमारे मार्गदर्शक आदरणीय नितिन जी गडकरी साहब, आंध्र प्रदेश के कार्यशील और बहुत ही लोकप्रिय मुख्यमंत्री आदरणीय चंद्रबाबू नायडू साहब, एनएचआई चेयरमैन श्रीमान संतोष कुमार यादव सर, आंध्र प्रदेश के रोड्स एंड बिल्डिंग के मंत्री जनार्दन रेड्डी साहब, मंच पर उपस्थित मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट पार्थ सारथी सर, उपस्थित विधायक महोदय श्रीमती पल्ले सिंधुरा रेड्डी जी, पूर्व मंत्री पल्ले रघुनाथ रेड्डी जी, एनएचआई के आरओ आर के सिंह जी, चीफ जनरल मैनेजर वरुण अग्रवाल जी, सुनील देवधर जी और दूर दूर से आए हुए हमारे हितचिंतक मान्यवर गण और मेरे राजपथ के साथी भाइयों और बहनों, आज मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है क्योंकि असंभव लगने वाला सपना पूरा हुआ है। सारे विश्व के इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर क्षेत्र में पहली बार किसी एक प्रोजेक्ट साइट के ऊपर एक नहीं, दो नहीं, 4 गिनीज वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड संपन्न हुए हैं और ये रिकॉर्ड भारत भूमि के आंध्र प्रदेश में श्री सत्य साई जिले में संपन्न हुए। ये भूमि भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा की पावन भूमि है और ये साई बाबा जी की जन्म शताब्दी चल रही है और उन्होंने ही ये 4 गिनीज रिकॉर्ड का काम हम सबसे करवा कर उनकी और आंध्र की लोगों की सेवा करने की संधि उपलब्ध करवा दी है। उनके पावन स्मृति को वंदन करते ये 4 विश्व विक्रम आप सभी के उपस्थिति में गडकरी साहब और मुख्यमंत्री चंद्रबाबू नायडू साहब के हाथों से मैं भारत माता को समर्पित करने की प्रार्थना करता हूं। हमें यह विश्व विक्रम बनाने की प्रेरणा प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के विकसित भारत का नारा और आदरणीय नितिन गडकरी जी के भारतमाला परियोजना से देश को प्रगति पथ पर लाने की उनकी अटूट संकल्प से मिली है। इसी प्रेरणा को लेके मेरे राजपथ के साथी यहाँ काम करने लगे तो शुरू में कई कठिनाइयों का सामना करना पड़ा, लेकिन आंध्र प्रदेश की हर एक प्रशासन ने हमेशा हमारा साथ दिया और मैं मानता हूं कि उसी की वजह से ये असंभव काम संभव हो पाया है। मैं मुख्यमंत्री महोदय नायडू साहब का और आंध्र की जनता का बड़े विनम्रता से धन्यवाद देना चाहूंगा। 4 गिनीज वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बनाने के काम में हमें एनएचआई के सभी अधिकारीगण, आईआईटी बॉम्बे की टीम जो हमारे साथ एकेडमिक टेक्निकल पार्टनर्स है, सीओईपी टेक्निकल यूनिवर्सिटी, यूनियन एंड कैनरा बैंक, हमारे ओईएम पार्टनर्स जैसे कि विजन कंपनी के सेंसर पेवर्स, उनके रोलर्स, मरीनी और अमान के हॉट मिक्स प्लांट्स, फ्यूल के लिए आईओसीएल, बीपीसीएल, एमआईपीएल, आईटीपीएल, ध्रुव कंसल्टेंट, हमारे डिजाइनर्स और कई सब कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स, इन सबका अगिनत योगदान रहा, जिनके बिना ये काम बड़ा कठिन था। इसके साथ सबसे महत्वपूर्ण, राजपथ की मेरी 800 से अधिक सेना, जिनको मैं योद्धा कहना चाहता हूं, वो सब रात दिन इस रणभूमि पर लड़ते रहे, ना रुकते हुए, ना झुकते हुए, ना थकते हुए, ये 4 गिनीज वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बनने तक। आज मेरे इन सभी साथियों को शाबाशी देने गडकरी साहब और मुख्यमंत्री चंद्रबाबू नायडू सर यहाँ ऑनलाइन उपस्थित है, हमारा हौसला बढ़ाने के लिए उनका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। आखिरी में मैं इतना ही कहना चाहूंगा कि आज से 4 साल पहले देश में रोड सेक्टर का पहला गिनीज रिकॉर्ड राजपथ ने महाराष्ट्र में बनाया था। वो तोड़कर एनएचआई के साथ राजपथ की तरफ से नए 4 गिनीज वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बनाकर विश्व भर में भारत माता की प्रतिमा और ऊंची करने का प्रयास इससे हमने किया है। हर भारतीय को इसका जरूर गर्व होगा, क्योंकि ये रिकॉर्ड भारत देश ने बनाए हैं। मेरा भारत महान, बोलो भारत माता की। आखिरी में मैं इतना कहना चाहूंगा, त्योहार आ गया है। मी कुटुंबाనికి संक्रांति शुभकांक्षालु। जय हिंद।
आज मैं मिलिंद साहब से गुजारिश करूंगा कि जो हमारे प्रवीण पटेल साहब हैं, जो एजुकेटर हैं, उनका इंट्रोडक्शन दे यहाँ पे प्लीज। मिस्टर मिलिंद जी।
राम राम। मेरा नाम मिलिंद गोरलेकर है, जैसा अभी बताया गया, और गिनीज वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड्स का भारत में फैसिलिटेटर इस नाते में काम करता हूँ। मेरा सौभाग्य है,
म्यूजिक म्यूजिक म्यूजिक।
मेरा सौभाग्य है कि अगर ये आज जो 4 गिनीज वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड्स यहाँ पे अनाउंस होने जा रहे हैं, अगर ये मिलते हैं, if these these records are achieved, then I will be achieving the number of 61 Guinness World Records in India for India. But let me tell you one thing very frankly. मेरे 61 गिनीज वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड्स हुए हैं, लेकिन इतना टफ काम मैंने आज तक नहीं किया. I must appreciate NHAI. I must appreciate NHAI कि पूरे भारतवर्ष में इस प्रकार का टफ काम करते हुए NHAI पूरे भारत में रोड बनाती है. और I must appreciate the government also here, which has supported in every manner for this construction. So NHAI and the government, local government, hats off to all you guys. इतना टफ रिकॉर्ड, एक तो गिनीज वैसे ही टफ होता है. गिनीज कहो तो इट्स चैलेंज, इट्स टफ, इट्स रियली टफ. जो भी यहाँ पे हमने देखा 2-5% जो लोगों ने देखा है, उसके पीछे बहुत सारा प्रयास इसमें गया है. तो मैं जगदीश कदम जी जो राजपथ के जिन्होंने ये सारा काम किया है NHAI के साथ में, मैंने उनको कहा कि इसके आगे आफ्टर दिस whenever I will be traveling on a road, I will never complain for quality of the road, because I have seen the efforts those have gone in constructing this particular road. So it's really very tough. Let me request the most senior adjudicator from Guinness World Records, London, Mr. Praveen Patel. He is the most senior adjudicator from Guinness. He is traveling across the world on numerous occasions, and whenever the records are very tough, very complicated, and most analytical, he is sent because he got retired from Royal British Air Force as senior engineer. And this young man is only 69 years old. And he keeps on traveling across the world. पिछले 2 दिनों में हमने जो रिव्यू किया, उसके पश्चात ये जो 4 Guinness World Record attempt. Now when you call it Guinness World Record, it's not only for this pen dog. The moment he will declare whatever, I don't know the result of it. Honestly, I don't know the result. So whenever he will be declaring the result, and if Rajpath has got it, then the bail will bring in 180 countries at one and the same time. So let me request the most senior adjudicator from Guinness World Records, London, Mr. Praveen Patel, to declare whether we are successful in our records or not. Mr. Praveen Patel, senior adjudicator, Guinness World Records, London.
Music! Minister for Roads, Transports and Highways, Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, esteemed guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Good morning. Let's do that again. Good morning. Brilliant. I'm absolutely delighted to be here on behalf of Guinness World Records. थोड़ी सी हिंदी आती है, गुजराती बहु आवे છે, પણ I will stick to English because I don't make mistakes there. Thank you very much to Rajpath Infracom and to Jagdish Kadam for inviting me, not one, not two, but 4 different record attempts. 2 of them are 24-hour records, and 2 of them are not time limited. So the 4 record titles are most asphalt, bituminous, concrete, continuously laid in 24 hours. You try saying that standing up here, all those words. It's very, very difficult. This is a brand new record. We like new records. But the minimum is set at 2,930.8 cubic meters. I want you to remember that, but I have an agent in the
will tell me, you will remember, right? I will ask you later on what they were. Okay. The second record attempt is for the most asphalt bituminous concrete continuously laid. There is no time limit to this. There is a minimum. The minimum is 14,654 cubic meters. The third one is for the longest. Longest piece of asphalt bituminous concrete laid continuously in 24 hours. This again is a new record. And the minimum is 5 kilometers. You remember that. And the fourth record is for the longest piece of asphalt bituminous concrete laid continuously. And this is a record, this is not a new record, okay? This is previously held at 42.2 kilometers by somebody who you know very well. They are Rajpath Infracom and Jagdish Kanam, who set it in 2022, doing it between Amarwati and Akola district, India. Will you remember that? Excellent. Okay, so whilst we have the numbers, and like Milind just said, Guinness World Records are a challenge. It's not like having an event, gathering people, having a party. It's a challenge. It's a challenge of time. It's a challenge of a mark, a standard, and a challenge of a set guideline. So it doesn't matter if you build a road here in Andhra Pradesh, or you build a road in China, or East Africa, or Brazil, the same standards apply. Now, I know most of you in the background have been working on the roads for a while. Okay, so you might find this like, yeah, we know all about this. The guys at the front may not know about this. So I'll explain some of the guidelines that these guys have had to follow stringently. So we define asphalt bituminous is a concrete bitumen asphalt or tarmac used for making roads and pavement. So we define that. That's anywhere in the world. We also define what concrete laying is. Concrete laying is defined as laying and compacting a hot mix of bitumen combined with materials such as crushed stone, sand, and gravel. The asphalt must remain warm enough during placement to form a single, remember, a single cohesive stretch without interruptions. This will become apparent later. I'll carry on. Just bear with me. Once the mixture cools and hardens, it forms a smooth, durable surface suitable for roads and pavements. That's what it's about. The exact location of and the position must be given, so we check that. Logbooks must be kept detailing how the activity was completed. We check that. The width is a minimum. The width had to be a minimum of 3 meters across. So you couldn't come along and say, oh, can we have the longest one and can we just lay it right half a meter across? No, the minimum width is 3 meters. The depth had to be a minimum of 10 millimeters, okay? So they did 40 millimeters, which is pretty good, pretty good. The road foundations, the makeup of the asphalt, and the road building must comply with local and national regulations. They just couldn't make up the standards and do it themselves. They had to comply with local and national rules. There are 4 Guinness World Records titles here. Not 1, not 2, but 4, which is great. And it's a very passionate speech from Jagdishji. Very, very powerful indeed. Thank you very much. I can see he's the motivator behind the team, and which is very great to see. 4 Guinness World Record titles are not easy. Any Guinness World Record title is not easy. The 4 Guinness World Record titles are most asphalt bituminous concrete continuously laid in 24 hours, most asphalt bituminous concrete continuously laid, longest piece of asphalt bituminous concrete laid continuously in 24 hours, and longest piece of asphalt bituminous continuously laid, full stop. Okay? One of those was previously achieved by Kadamji and Infracom, Rajpath Infracom, but the other 3 titles are new. Just to let everybody else know that it's not just about the numbers, and the numbers, by the way, we know that there are minimums and there are some to be achieved, and I have a secret agent in the audience somewhere to remind me what those numbers is on later on. Some of the rules are, it has to be defined in terms of what the asphalt and bituminous is. It's a mixture of bituminous with stone, sand, gravel, and it's a hot mix. It's got to be laid at the right temperature. It's got to set. It's got to be checked as per the local and national standards. So you can't just make up the road and go along and say, can we have the Guinness World Record title? We've got to have all the regulations met, all the rules met, all the legalities met. So that's brilliant. We have checked that, and that was good to go. At this stage, I'd like to thank my specialist witnesses who are here, and the specialist witnesses who said the bituminous concrete was actually bituminous concrete, and a specialist witness who said this is the length, this is the volume. And I had a particular witness who actually said that all the work was carried on. We also had a timekeeper. I would like to thank them all. But before I announce the result, I would like to thank all of you who took part in these 4 Guinness World Record titles. Whether you were involved in planning, coordinating, or making the actual road, you have all been essential for this Guinness World Record title. Every one of you. Guinness World Records titles are about celebrating extraordinary achievements through a power of coming together. I thank you all. So, now let us look at the results of each record one at a time. The most asphalt bituminous concrete laid continuously in 24 hours. The new record, or the minimum requirement, is 2,930.8 cubic meters. And so, with a volume of 4,429.8 cubic meters, Rajpath Infracom and Jagdish Kadam, you are the Guinness World Records title holders for the most asphalt bituminous concrete laid continuously in 24 hours. Congratulations! Okay, there's 4. We need to find out what's happened with the other 3. So, for the most asphalt bituminous concrete continuously laid, there is no current record holder. The minimum requirement is 14,654 cubic meters. And so, with a volume of 24,109.06 cubic meters, Rajpath Infracom and Jagdish Kadam, you are the Guinness World Record title holders for the most asphalt bituminous concrete laid continuously. Congratulations! So you don't make it easy, because it's easy when you do 1. 1 is very easy. 4 is a little bit challenging. We're at number 3. Okay. The longest piece of asphalt bituminous concrete laid continuously in 24 hours. This again is a new record, and the minimum requirement is 5 kilometers. And so with a length of 9.63 kilometers, Rajpath Infracom and Jagdish Kadam, you are the Guinness World Records title holders for the longest piece of asphalt bituminous concrete laid continuously in 24 hours. Congratulations, you are officially amazing. last one. Let's find out. I thought I'd almost lost the paperwork, so we might have had to wait a little bit longer. We won't. So, for the most asphalt bituminous concrete continuously laid, there is a current record holder. The current record holder. No, this is the new one, right? No, wait. I don't have the right one. No, I don't have the right one. There it is. See, I did lose the paperwork because I have 4, right? I only deal with one at a time. So this is for the longest piece of asphalt bituminous concrete laid. There is a current record holder. I wonder who it was. It was you guys before with 42.2 kilometers. To beat that record with a length of 52.411 kilometers. Rajpath Infratoma and Jagdish Kalam, you are the Guinness World Records record holders for the longest piece of asphalt. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you, Sri Naveen Patel ji and Sri Milind Varlekar ji. Now, let us know something more about these records through a short review.
आंध्र प्रदेश की एन 544 जी का शुरू हुआ। 12 जनवरी की निर्धारित समय सीमा से पहले ये खंड 11 जनवरी को भी पूर्ण कर लिया गया। अनुशासन और जमीनी समन्वय के साथ ये रिकॉर्ड 6 में एक्सेस कंट्रोल ग्रीनफील्ड एक्सप्रेसवे पर पहली बार हासिल हुई। पूरी प्रक्रिया भारतीय राष्ट्रीय राजमार्ग प्राधिकरण के सभी गुणवत्ता मानकों के अनुरूप रही और गिनीज वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड्स की सत्यापन प्रक्रिया का सख्ती से पालन किया गया। विकसित भारत के विजन के अनुरूप ये सभी रिकॉर्ड राष्ट्र को समर्पित किए गए। भारतमाला परियोजना के तहत विकसित ये कॉरिडोर राष्ट्रीय महत्वपूर्ण है। इसके चालू होने से यात्रा समय लगभग 12 घंटे से घटकर 6 से 8 घंटे लग जाएगा, जिससे लॉजिस्टिक्स, कनेक्टिविटी और दक्षिण भारत की आर्थिक गति को नई ताकत मिलेगी। ये मील का पत्थर प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के विश्व स्तरीय अवसंरचना के विजन और सड़क परिवहन एवं राजमार्ग मंत्री नितिन गडकरी जी के नेतृत्व में बनते नए वैश्विक मानकों का प्रमाण है। ये उन्नत भारतीय इंजीनियरिंग की शक्ति का सही प्रमाण है, जो भारत को वैश्विक अवसंरचना नेतृत्व की अग्रिम पंक्ति में स्थापित करता है।
Today, I am not able to resist myself from saying that after formation of new government in June 2024 as a RO NHAI, I have closely seen the continuous and strong support extended by the state government of Andhra Pradesh and district administration as well, all across all districts in Andhra Pradesh during last 1.5 years, be it land acquisition or clearances or court cases. Honorable CM has also constituted a task force being headed by Honorable R&D Minister, where all issues are being resolved quickly. So now it's time to invite forward-looking, visionary, dynamic, and popular Honorable Chief Minister, Andhra Pradesh, Shri N. Chandrababu Naidu Garu, to address the gathering. Honorable Chief Minister, sir.
in previous 3 months September, we are going to hand over the government of Andhra Pradesh to the office of India, Deputy Ministry. Today, from there, we have look at the moment time. 4 Guinness records. Earlier, any Guinness record in national area used about Japan, America, or Germany, like that. Today, we hear excellent work, national libraries, and also government of India, where there is some share here, we are supporting that in a big way without having any problems. Government of Andhra Pradesh, and also I particularly congratulate Rajput in Dhaka. They have done very good work, really appreciating the congratulations in the mind. This is where Modi government and also you are doing very well doing business, not only you are doing business, but doing it at time. That is the proof of concept Bombay. We also gave you also an appreciation. One record is to see 28.896 million kilometers. Longest continuous laying of the time in 24 hours. Second record, 10,655 metric tons. Highest quantum of thickness laying continuously in 24 hours. 57,520. Largest quantity laid continuous over multiple days. 165, 156 million kilometers. Longest continuous laying of thickness country. Surpassing the Akira world record that was only 84.4. In the history, really appreciate you. Always, you will have new incidents. I feel never you said it is impossible. Whatever we ask you, it is possible, you know it is possible. Really, I am very happy. Exactly 2019, this policy has started. Today, under our leadership, it is 3 years. It just implemented in the country. 10 years time, 13-14, India has 91,827 kilometers. Today, 146,200 kilometers, and on today, world's second largest national highway company in India. Second one, if you see, total road network exceeds 6.6 million kilometers, carrying over 70% of life, 85% of passenger traffic. Because of this, top WTC 2.6 times, we are able to enhance the road connectivity. And also, logistics cost, we are able to reduce 9%. Always we are talking of, whenever I spoke to you, you are saying there is no problem of price. You are an expert in structuring, restructuring, and setting plans, and make it right. Project in Kerala, really appreciate you. Even I-Steel corridor expanded from 96 kilometers to over 3,770 kilometers. Even major football greenfield expressway, more than 10 kilometers we are going to the way. I need one cooperation from you. That is this road you know very well. We started this road from Amaravati to Bangalore, straight through. Now there is some deviation because of government change. But I don't want to delay further. We complete the process. Earlier, this road is very clear. One road will go to Kannapa, one road will go to Karnool, one road will go to Bangalore. That is the straight road we can see. We remember the next straight road. Now, this is Amaravati Bangalore. We have named that AD road. Amaravati Bangalore. Anybody who talks about road, first road that you have to remember, Amaravati Bangalore road, not Bangalore to Amaravati, that is where we consider
one request. Another thing, we are starting now, ATG. This is the logistics out-related expressway corporation created. Integrating national highways, coordination with national highways, railways, our ports, and also state highways, and also airports, ultimately multi-model logistics parks, inland waterways, everything I want to integrate and promote one of the best state and east coast. Where I need cooperation, I feel good. Whenever I need to ask you any road, without saying no, always we are clear it. Another road I did not trying to discuss all these things. Again, I come and discuss with you. Finally, I am appreciating your efforts, your vision and execution capacity. Everything is possible, but where you are from, really I am congratulating you. Thank you. Once if you decide a policy, people are ready to execute. I really appreciate your private sector. With the company, Transport Infra really is very quickly and I wish all the best for him. One day, quality is maintained, and at the same time, execution is done. Our officers, nationally, I really appreciate you are very active. Even our officers in nationally are physically active. We can do it. I really appreciate all of you. Your team success, your team success. Congratulations on all of you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much, Honorable Chief Minister, sir. It's a great opportunity for all of us working under the able guidance of dynamic and visionary Honorable Union Minister for Road Transport and Highways, Shri Nitin Gadkari ji. We are learning lots of new things from his innovative ideas like use of ultra high performance fiber reinforced concrete, which is cheaper also, taking less time in execution, use of waste materials, use of natural materials like bamboo in national highways. So now I would like to request Honorable Union Minister for Road Transport and Highways, Shri Nitin Gadkari ji, to address the gathering on this great occasion. Honorable Minister, sir. Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, respectable Honorable IDG, Revenue Minister, respectable Janardhan ji, our Chairman NHI Santosh ji, Member of Parliament Partha ji, the person who is responsible for this success story, the CMD of Transport Infocom Private Limited, Sri Jagdish Kaban ji, all respectable dignitaries of the class and dear friends. मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि सत्य साई बाबा की पवित्र जन्मभूमि में उत्तर प्रदेश में आज एक रिकॉर्ड में 4 रिकॉर्ड रजिस्टर हुए हैं। मैं सबसे पहले ये रिकॉर्ड अचीव करने के लिए राजदीप इंफोकॉम, जगदीश कदम के सभी सहयोगी, काम करने वाले लेबर्स, कंसल्टेंट, इंजीनियर्स, यूनिवर्सिटी, IIT के लोग, हमारे NHI के सभी ऑफिसर और राज्य सरकार के सभी अधिकारियों ने और राज्य सरकार ने जो कुछ सहयोग करके ये विक्रम बनाया है, मैं आप सबको हृदय से बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ, आपका अभिनंदन करता हूँ। मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि पूरे देश में राष्ट्रीय महामार्ग का काम हम नई नई टेक्नोलॉजी का उपयोग करके और क्वालिटी के साथ कॉम्प्रोमाइज न करते हुए
स्पीड को बढ़ाने की लगातार कोशिश कर रहे हैं। इकोलॉजी एंड एनवायरनमेंट को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए अलग अलग प्रकार के मटेरियल्स को भी हम यूज कर रहे हैं। मैं आदरणीय मुख्यमंत्री जी से अनुरोध करूंगा कि 10 दिन पहले सियारा सेंट्रल रिसर्च कोर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन और CSR उनके साइंटिस्ट ने पिछले अनेक दिनों में प्रयास करके जो राइस स्ट्रॉ है, करली है, उससे बिटुमिन बनाने में सफलता हासिल की और हमने 15 इंडस्ट्री को जो उन्होंने पेटेंट रजिस्टर किया था वो पेटेंट उनको दिया, अलाउ किया और अब हमारे देश में राइस स्ट्रॉ करली से बिटुमिन बनना शुरू हो गया है। आंध्र प्रदेश भी इसमें काफी काम कर सकता है क्योंकि पैडी आपकी मेन फसल है, तो इस दिशा में भी आपका सहयोग मिलेगा और आप हर समय नए आइडियाज, नए इनोवेशन को अप्रिशिएट करते हैं, मदद भी करते हैं और उसका क्रियान्वयन करने में आपने देश में सफलता हासिल की है। एक बात जरूरी है जो आपसे भी मैं सीखता हूँ कि इनोवेशन, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, साइंस, टेक्नोलॉजी, research skilled and successful practices we name it as knowledge, and conversion of knowledge into wealth is the future for the country. In the infrastructure, the mission of our government is to how we are going to reduce the cost and improve the quality. At the same time, our mission is to protect the ecology and environment. And every time, we need to have the best technology, best successful practices available in the world. I always try to initiate and inspire and motivate our engineers, contractors, that we have to make some international records. We have got the potential. We have got the background of technology experience. And I always telling to the people that the impossible work, the meaning of the word of impossible is I am possible. But it is impossible. So no one is trying. Always try to get to the highest school in the life. And your strong political will is very important. And if there is a will, there is a will. And the strong political will of the contractor, the strong political will of all the officers who are working there of state government and central government, and also the support from the Honorable Chief Minister and his government. Every stakeholder is supporting the new initiative, new technology, new invention, and new research and new record. This type of positive mentality is very important, and this mentality is going to create new miracles of development in the country. And that is exactly, I really have a great, the respectable Chandrababu Naidu ji and his vision, always encouraging these new good experiments which are very useful for the society and for the country. And today this is also a landmark, and this landmark is going to inspire and motivate to all contractors, officers to make again more international record like this, and that is to be very important. This positivity and confidence and this strong political will using the best technology, 100% it is going to make a lot of miracles. As personally, really it is a great pride for me today. It is a great pride. Actually, मैं क्षमा मांगता हूँ, मुझे वहाँ उपस्थित रहना चाहिए था, और यहाँ महाराष्ट्र में म्यूनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन इलेक्शन 15 तारीख को है, मैं यहाँ बिजी हूँ, और जिन लोगों ने मेरे लिए काम किया उनके चुनाव में मुझे जाना पड़ रहा है, दिन भर पब्लिक से मिलने का, पब्लिक मीटिंग का प्रोग्राम है, इसलिए मैं निकल नहीं पाया, इसलिए मैं आप सब लोगों की क्षमा मांगता हूँ। और मैं उपस्थित नहीं हूँ, फिर भी मैं बहुत उत्साहित हूँ, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ, और मैं अक्सर एक बात कहता हूँ कि हमारी सरकार में एक बात होनी चाहिए कि अच्छे काम करने वालों को सम्मान मिलना चाहिए और बुरे काम करने वालों को कड़ी सजा मिलनी चाहिए, और इसी से गवर्नमेंट में क्वालिटेटिव रिफॉर्म। मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि सत्य साई बाबा का आशीर्वाद हमारे साथ है। हर समय उन्होंने हमें जो संदेश दिया है, लव ऑल एंड सर्व ऑल, एक वेलफेयर सोसाइटी में एक कल्याणकारी राज्य की स्थापना करके जो डोमेस्टिक हैप्पी ह्यूमन इंडेक्स है, जिसमें हेल्थ सर्विसेज में, ड्रिंकिंग वाटर में, गुड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर में, सबको मकान, सबको अच्छा फूड, रोजगार, इस प्रकार से डोमेस्टिक हैप्पी ह्यूमन इंडेक्स को लगातार बढ़ाना, यही हम सबका मिशन है। और यही मिशन लेकर आदरणीय मुख्यमंत्री जी लगातार काम कर रहे हैं और हमारी सरकार भी मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में ये उद्देश्यों को लेकर काम कर रही है। वी आर द फास्टेस्ट ग्रोइंग इकोनॉमी इन द वर्ल्ड। अभी हम थर्ड लार्जेस्ट इकोनॉमी बने हैं और उसके बाद में हमको अगर पहले नंबर पर जाना है तो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर को डेवलप करना होगा, वाटर, पावर, ट्रांसपोर्ट एंड कम्युनिकेशन, और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज है लॉजिस्टिक कॉस्ट को कम करना होगा। मुझे बड़ी खुशी है कि हमने 16% से अच्छे हाईवे बनाने के कारण वो 9% पे आई है। जो बेंगलुरु टू विजयवाड़ा, जो अमरावती का जो टाइम है वो भी 50%, 6 घंटे पे आया है। और इस रोड के साइड में डेवलपमेंट भी होगी। आदरणीय मुख्यमंत्री जी ने मेरे लिए जो आदेश दिए हैं, सूचनाएं की है, उसका मैं जरूर अनुसरण करूंगा। मैं छोटी सी रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि एक बार इस प्रोजेक्ट के डिटेल्स को लेकर आपके अधिकारी या आपके मंत्री जी या आप कभी भी दिल्ली आएंगे तो अधिकारियों को बुलाकर पॉजिटिविटी के साथ आप सबकी आइडियाज को पूरा करने के लिए भारत सरकार की ओर से हम आपके पीछे पूरी ताकत के साथ खड़े रहेंगे, ये विश्वास भी देता है। Once again, I'm giving thanks and congratulations to all stakeholders, especially Jagdish Kadam and his team, the IIT, the university which is already helping us. At the same time, the authority and office bearers of Guinness Book of World Record team and all the people of Andhra Pradesh and the state government, and especially thanks to Honorable Chief Minister who always supporting good ideas, good ventures, good technology, good vision for the future. And that is to be the quality of Honorable Chief Minister who is supporting this venture, which is very, very important. A lot of people are supporting you. The support from other respectable Chandrababu ji, it is really one of the support from one of the noble person who dedicated his life for the futuristic region of the Andhra Pradesh and giving a lot of good examples to our own country. And that really a good person like him is supporting this venture. It is to be great pride for all of us. Once again, I am giving thanks to all of you. Thank you very much. Namaskar. विशेष रूप से कर्मचारी जो है राजपथ के कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स, ऑफिसर जिन्होंने रात दिन मेहनत की, प्रतिकूल परिस्थिति में समस्याओं पर मात की और ये जीत हासिल की, ये रिकॉर्ड बनाया, उन सबको फिर से एक बार बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं, शुभेच्छाएं, धन्यवाद, नमस्कार।
Thank you very much, Honorable Minister Sir. Also, thank you all for joining and gracing the occasion. Many, many congratulations to all Indians on this great occasion. Jai Hind! Jai Hind! Jai Hind! Thank you all.
शिक्षा